Which one do you like? DJI sound or the Rode sound? Post down below.
Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm shooting with the Sony ZV-1 F, default 26 dB internal sounds of the camera. Test 1, 2, 3, talking in a calm, natural voice about 30 inches from the camera. We increase the dB level to 29 of 31 dB, the maximum level that the camera can record at. Test 1, 2, 3. This will get that gain bar to about where it needs to be at the negative 12 dB level.
We are on the wireless mic by DJI. The dB level of the camera is on 15. On the transmitter side where the receiver shows, it's on a negative 5. My bars are where 12 dB is at. It doesn't say 12 dB on the DJI receiver at all, nor will it say it's on the actual screen of Sony. Only and only when you bring up the screen that you swipe up on the Sony and you change the mic level. Test 1, 2, 3. This is the Rode Wireless Go, dB on the low, and here we are, the same exact test, 15 dB. Normally I would keep it maybe at 16, 17 the maximum. On the Rode Go you have the same green bar, doesn't show the 12 dB or a line when you start to talk. It shows an orange little line if you slow down your talk and stay there. Wouldn't you want on any of these devices to know where that 12 dB is at? Have a nice long line. We are now recording with the internal sound, and then you can tell the difference between just the DJI transmitter to the Sony and just the DJI alone, which sounds the same or better. This test is over. I did my test. I'm going to listen to it, just like you're going to listen to it, and we'll decide which one works best. I have to remember right now, 15 on the Sony, negative 5 on transmitter 1, and just go out and shoot and enjoy. If I talk in a nice natural voice like so, it'll definitely get my point across, nice, crisp, and clear. When you first get products, you have to do is test them out. It's not going to work out of the box like you expect. So as we progress along, I just want to say, if you look at the differences between these two, this is a little heavier, narrower, a little thicker, but man, it really does a nice job. Just remember to peel off the plastic on the back. Remember not to lose the magnet. And we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, everybody.